Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to talk about mortgage rates. So I saw this headline, grab my attention, 7.99%, the average. That's the national average. So what's the high? 10% if you don't have good enough credit or you don't shop at the right bank or mortgage company? Wow. I mean, in the early 2000s, I think 2001, no, 2000, March 2000 when we first bought our first purchase, two bedroom, two bath condo. 115,000. Yes, it was 7.5, 8.5%, somewhere in that neighborhood. The mortgage payment was like maybe 900,000, which was still at that time a little steep, but it was cheaper than rent at the time. But now that same two bedroom, two bath condo is 350, 400,000 at 8%, 10% if you don't have good enough credit, or if you don't have enough for down payment except for 3.5%, or on a VA loan, zero money down. That's what, 4 or 5,000, maybe 3,500 a month. That's crazy. That doesn't include property taxes or HOA. So my question is, how are people doing it when they got to buy a house that's 800,000? Maybe you go look in the Midwest somewhere in the Southeast. I don't know where it's cheap. Maybe northern Oklahoma, maybe South Dakota, North Dakota. I don't know. With those interest rates, it doesn't make things cheaper. So I don't know. I just cross my fingers for everybody who's in the market to buy a home, and they probably got a good job, hopefully, in the medical field, mechanical field, maybe in the financial world. I don't know. But it's not easy. So I guess one day it'll get better like it did before. Like I have a rental property that has 3.5% interest. This mortgage that I live in is 4.25. That's reasonable. That was great compared to 7.99 on the average. But I couldn't rebuy this property again, let alone I can't even afford an apartment. So for those who are trucking and struggling, I'm with you. Hopefully things get better. Hopefully the gas prices go down and inflation goes down and mortgage rates go down. All we can do is hope. We'll see what happens in the near future. Take care, everybody.